What is going on, guys? Welcome to crownrickauto. In this video, we're going to answer the question, what happens when you mace and tase somebody at the same time? Right over here, we have a volunteer, the funny man. I caught him last night breaking into my car, stealing radios, stealing police equipment. So he was apprehended. Look at him, he's still wearing his little bandit outfit. Thank you, funny man, for volunteering. You think you're slick, funny man. But before we get started with that, I want to give you guys an update on the Area 51 raid interceptor. I want to let you guys know exactly what happened. So I came across this guy who convinced me that he could do it all. He could sand it, he could paint it, he could weld it, he could detail it, he could add the decals and all of that. He was like, there's no need to hire multiple people, man, I could do it all. So we set up a price. He demanded that I give him half the money up front as an advance, and the dude seemed legit, so I was stupid enough to do it, and you guessed it, bam, he was gone, nowhere to be found. However, I will be in Vegas anyways. I got like 300 people who said they were gonna meet me out there. So if at least a quarter of them show up, I'll still have a handful. So I'll see you guys there tomorrow night. So now let's go find out what happens when you mace and tase somebody at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna go ask my cleaning lady to help me. Hey, what's up, cleaning lady?
Hey!
What are you doing?
Cleaning the engine like you asked me to.
Jeez, okay, I was just asking. How'd you manage to get the engine even dirtier?
It's because I just got started. You asking for a miracle?
I want you to help me film this video where I mace and tase somebody at the same time.
No, it's not me.
So will you do it?
No.
So I have the cleaning lady behind the camera.
Hi.
Can you guys believe none of my other employees were brave enough to do this? They were like, no way, man, that stuff is strong, man. What if I catch fire? What if this, what if that? She was the only one brave enough to do this. So let's give her a thumbs up. Thank you, cleaning lady.
Sure.
Okay, so I have a law enforcement formula box. This is not a joke. This is extremely powerful. However, it does not say anything about being flammable or not. I am going to spray him with this stuff, and immediately I am going to tase him with a X2 taser. That's a double arc. Okay, so I remove the pin, point, and shoot. Get closer, get closer. You guys see that? That stuff is no joke. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Holy crap. Okay, so he did not ignite. I'm gonna take these cartridges off. There we go. Let's go. Woo. I got that stuff all over my fingers. This is your punishment for breaking into my car. Oh, he's on fire. You may not be able to see. Oh my goodness, he's on fire. You see that? Woo! You see that? Follow me. Follow me.
Go.
Follow me. Follow me. Run.
Go.
Follow me. No. Where's my fire extinguisher? I'll save you, funny man. So I'm grabbing water. I'll save you, funny man. Funny man, are you okay? Funny man, you alright? Funny man? Medic! There was actually a documented case where that happened once before, but I cannot show you the video footage because of copyright issues. So instead, I'm just gonna show you guys video footage of fans killing off the funny man once and for all. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. What the hell? Get over. Here.
Oh God, yeah, it's on fire. You wanted a flaming stick, there you go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put Momo there up on the pile of boxes like we did, and we're gonna run him over so bad he's gonna think he woke up in a stand.